everybody on the Pro Forum. Okay, so here we are again. Listen, here's what we're going to do right now. I have a buddy of mine here who I play golf with all the time, who is admittedly not a picture person. I mean, he comes from a family that does not buy photography. So I got a couple of questions to ask him from the perspective of somebody who does not buy photography, okay? So let's see if we can flip this thing around. Let me see if how do I do that? Can I flip the screen? How do I do that? Oh well, I tell you what, I'm gonna flip it back right like that. So you can see yourself, Danny?
I do.
All right, so this is Danny Theriault, my buddy. I play golf with all the time. So Danny, here's my question for you. Why would you buy photography?
First of all, I would have to have a need, a wedding, business. That would probably be the only reason I would get photography or have the need for it. Other than that, I'm not really interested in photography at all.
All right. So so something changes in your life, and the situation, maybe it's an advertisement, maybe it's somebody's getting married, suddenly the crank, something happens to where you go, oh my goodness, we need a family portrait, whatever the case may be. Mm-hmm. So when it comes to the actual buying of photography, give me three things, what's the number one, number two, number three thing that would influence your buying or hiring a specific photographer?
Probably if I would have to pick a photographer, I wouldn't thumb through a website. I probably wouldn't thumb through advertisements. I would ask word of mouth who you used. I would let someone give me their opinion, who I value a person's opinion, and I would probably use that person that people have had good success with. Okay. So I'd probably use that photographer versus just trying to go on myself and find one.
All right. So the number one reason to hire a specific photographer would be what about that photographer?
I guess number one would be quality. I would have to have a product that is just stand out alone, good quality, lifelike, just a good product.
All right, number two.
Number two would probably be turnaround. When can I have it in my hand? When can I have the product, the finished product? It'd have to be probably not next day, 2-3 days, but in a realistic, quick turnaround.
All right, number three.
Three would probably be price.
All right, good. Thank you so much. All right, so there you go. This is from the perspective of somebody who is admittedly, like I said, not a picture person, someone who is, just an average Joe consumer. So, I mean, if y'all have questions that y'all would like for me to ask Danny, like I said, I play golf with Danny all the time, so I can ask him questions to kind of, in other words, have the ability to shoot the breeze with the average Joe Blow client to give us insight into their thinking so that we can manipulate things so that we can sell what we do to that guy sitting in the back seat. So there you go. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.